Amy from Bloomden. We are top 3 exporter of dental zirconium blocks in China. Now I'm in Shanghai Dental Exhibition. I'm very happy to present it here because I meet a lot of professional customer and professional supplier, and I attracted by the newest and innovative products. Next then, let me introduce our company Bloomden for you. Bloomden specializes in high quality zirconium products over 10 years, and until now we've offered service to customers more than 100 countries in the market, and we provide the most comprehensive zirconia products. Here is our ST zirconia. The appreciated is around 41%. The strength is around 1200 MPa. This type of zirconia is very suitable for posterior because it is a high strength. It including ST white, ST pre-shaded, and ST matte layer. Next then I will introduce our most hard-selling products, and also it is the star product in our company, 3D Pro. This product wins a good reputation among our customers. It is 5 layers with high performance of aesthetic and strength. The translucency is around 49% to 42%. The strength is gradient from 1650 to 1150 MPa, very close to natural teeth and all in one material. You can do anything you want, such as for arch, anterior, posterior, vernier, coping, and so on. Here is the 4-arch case made by our 3D Pro matte layer. This is the original statue after milling by milling machine. This is the case after sintering. Usually it's sintering around 9 hours. You can see the whole teeth is high translucency and the incisal is high translucency. All of the customers in this exhibition, after seeing it, they all think this is the most beautiful 4-arch case in this exhibition. As you can see, this product is really loved by customers. Except the zirconia products, we also provide other products such as CAD design service. This design service is made by our CAD team. All of the members in our CAD team have around 7 working experience in this industry. This is our newest product, ceramic brackets. It's made of a transparent material, and the most advantage for this product is it is nearly invisible to others and popular straight away without the metal mouth look. It is really a potential product in the future. Okay, thanks for your time. Let me make a short introduction of our company. See you next time. Bye bye.